Fuck shots my dude. If y'all want some headers, hit me up. Selling this shit.
Hey, you know, we're finna start some headers today. You think it's gonna take long?
Shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
You think it's gonna take long? How long you think it's gonna take?
Oh shit. I work at Pet Boys, so it's gonna take me a little 5 minutes.
Pet Boys?
Yeah.
Pet Boys don't even do this.
I do it for the love. They call me Juan Pablo in that bitch. So today we're doing a front end conversion. We're changing this out to 06 Cat-Eye.
So I wanna look like everybody else.
Oh, why? Nigga, I don't want to carry this shit out there.
Yeah, you are.
As you can see, Shots My Dream has money.
It's a little dark.
Yeah,
it's not even.
I would never. I would just Harbor Freights for the win.
Why?
See?
This is why he's my friend. I only use him for his tools.
What?
Yeah, who gave you that fade, though? Who gave you that fade?
Some whack barber. Wow. Called Flavio faded you.
OTRGZ fades.
Outrageous fades.
Outrageous fades good.
Oh, that's a bright one. This is a low one.
Why are you pointing that shit at the camera?
So you can look good, nigga. Look, pointing at your face.
I don't know about that.
Pointing at your face. Nigga, you're going away from the light. Come on now, B.
Damn, y'all. I know y'all see that fat ass pimple. I'm just not.
Which one? Connect the dots.
This nigga's mad disrespectful tonight. Bro, this camera costs his fucking hardware.
Hey, what should I do?
Why does it hardware?
I need some gloves. I'm not trying to get.
Oh, nigga, you didn't even do the engine bay review.
Nigga, it's a 4.8. This one's not on coke though. Sad.
Like a line. Bitch, just be straight up with what it is.
Yeah.
Alright.
What's up? You in the interview?
Say your name, occupation.
Hey,
What's your name?
Damn.
What's your fucking name, bitch?
Andrew. Vieira.
Where do you work at?
Gay City.
I hope they fire you now. Anyways. Well, what kind of motor you got, bitch?
It's a 5.3 out of a 03 Escalade. You zooming into that? Bro, you take too damn long.
5.3, 02 Escalade, right?
3.
03 Escalade.
Nothing but a tune and an intake.
Tune
But
intake.
after tonight, that's gonna change.
Cause y'all motherfuckers, whenever y'all racers, or nah, never mind, I don't race. Shit. Whenever y'all race hands, y'all stay sane.
Hey, point it at
You
me.
got headers, you got both blah blah blah.
Bro, look at that stock freaking engine bay, my nigga.
Nigga, look. No type of headers. No type of those like look. Let me show y'all the secret. Bow. Everybody finna get on that.
Nigga, you're not even focused.
Everybody finna get on that.
That ain't
Now.
the secret though.
Oh, that ain't the secret. It's in these. To know how to. Pull up my playlist.
Do the white one.
Only DJ Screw here.
And then, dude, I was driving the DJ Screws, dude. And then,
What?
look, I said,
What am I doing?
look, hey, tell me this. No, don't go hard. Look, hey, bring the camera over here. Look, this straight lyrics off my head, boy. Look. I said, just 'cause I rap slow doesn't mean I don't have flow. It's called DJ Screw, something you don't even know. 1, 2, skip all the way to 44. I got 40 hoes, but I got 4 knocking at my door. Dude. Dang, dude, that hoe went hard right. You know who go hard too? Paul Wall, dude. I know you go hard.
I just say it like that.
Not all of them.
You know who goes hard? Paul Wall. You should have seen the way I did it. You should have. Bro, Andrew was funny as hell.
Hey, you can laugh with y'all on with that shit. See, homeboy?
Shit, homeboy. Where the towels at, homeboy?
Got no more.
Hey, listen to this song by him. You don't like him.
How the hell did he get this in here? Bro, how did he get that in here?
Which one, the left one or what?
Yeah, the one in the back, because my lines are right here.
He straight barred for
Look,
5 minutes.
he literally got them things out like in minutes.
When does this movie come out?
Never mind.
We really need to go watch this movie when it comes out.
Ooh.
We ain't got no music. We ain't got no screw tape.
How with the old? Hey, y'all need these off of 2010 Camaro.
That's why it runs so fast.
No. Ooh. Should I already throw it on there? You know what? I'm getting too excited. Let me take out the other one first.
Right now we're doing some
Ooh, the one in
mechanical stuff. It's really hard to do, but like once you know how to do it, it's like that. You get it.
Right here.
I can.
Y'all really letting me play this song?
Bro, we're not even paying attention to you.
Wow.
I'm sorry, that's kind of rude. Let me see. You know what you mean? I already took the... What are you doing, B?
This right here.
That's a cover.
No, right here.
No, those... What? Let me see.
Oh shoot.
Dude, you broke it.
Boy, they're loose.
You gotta buy me another set of headers.
And you're like, what?
Hey, it's bad.
What I don't like about Andrew, dude, like you say something and then he goes, what? And then I say it again. He's like, no, he says it. I'm like, dude, that's
We're here
literally
with
what I
Angel.
just
Where you mad at?
said. Him.
Oh.
Like, do your shit.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. Let's
No,
have an
no,
interview.
do
Let's
your
have
thing,
an
like,
interview.
I don't want to flex. I don't got money
Look,
to flex with.
look. Come on. We're
Dude,
finna
that
interview.
stack like this, boy.
Alright. What's your name?
Angel.
What's your name?
Angel.
Okay, Mr.
Alright. Time. Can you spell top?
T-O-P.
Can you say top?
Top.
Alright, now say it 3 times.
Top,
Fast.
top.
Say it 3 times fast.
Top.
Alright, now spell it again twice.
T-O-P.
Now say it 2 times fast.
Top.
Fast, nigga, say it.
Top.
Now say it 4 times fast.
Top.
What do you do at a green light?
Go.
You cold.
No, you already knew. You already knew that.
Double out. Hey. Dude, ain't nobody playing me like that, bro. Ain't nobody playing me like I'm dumb.
Hey, so what up, guys? So, on my headers, I really never finished the video because my dad ended up hopping in here. Shoot, it's not focusing. Because my frame needed to be cut, so he just ended up doing this side, and then he hopped on the other side. He doesn't like to be recorded, so I really never got to finish the install. But they're on now. That was open headers now. I'm gonna let y'all hear it real quick. Has not started in weeks. Just heads up. Yeah, y'all can tell this thing is hella loud. I need to get my exhaust on ASAP, which I am. I just need my exhaust flanges? something like that. But yeah, she'll be.
Straight drive! Straight drive, Art! Oh, God! I'm on that ass! I'm on that ass! Oh, he's gone! Dang! That nigga gone! That nigga gone!
There you go!
There you go, fat bitch! Fuck yeah! That nigga finally ready.
Cut the camera, cut the camera.